Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we are here for a small event that our Captain Indoor Sports Center is going to organize. So guys, आज का सीन कुछ ऐसा है. आज हमारे खापटेड इंडोर में अपना एक ऑक्शन होने वाला है एक टूर्नामेंट के लिए, जिस टूर्नामेंट का नाम है मैत्री कप. और उसके ऑक्शन के लिए अभी तैयारी वैयारी हो चुकी है गाइस. हमारे अरुण सर इंडिया से आ चुके हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हो. जैसा कि जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है, इस टूर्नामेंट के बारे में आप लोगों को कुछ बताना चाहूँगा मैं. अभी 2 दिन बाद हमारा ये टूर्नामेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला है. टूर्नामेंट का नाम रहेगा मैत्री कप. और जस्ट अभी इस वीडियो के बाद हमारा पूरा वीडियो स्टार्ट होने ही वाला है, तो वीडियो को कोई स्किप मत करना, ठीक है. तो शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को. सो गाइज़, लेट्स बिगिन. जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हो, सारा अरेंजमेंट हो चुका है हमारा. तो अब कुछ ही देर में, बस कुछ ही मिनटों में हमारा ऑक्शन स्टार्ट होने ही वाला है. और गाइज़, जैसा कि बंदे लोग बैठे हुए हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हो, सब कुछ रेडी हो चुका है. बस ऑक्शन स्टार्ट ही होने वाला है और बाकी का ऑक्शन आप खुद देख सकते हो. थैंक यू.
Namaste, it's me Ankush. It's been a very honor for me to host the auction of the Maitri Cup. First of all, I would like to thank our organizer, Arun sir and Nagendra Guru. Without any further delay, for the first time, we are going to do auction in the Khoptar Sports Center of Maitri Cup. Now, let's be careful, boys. For the first name, Ashwin Bhatt, right hand wicketkeeper batsman, top order batsman. Is there anyone interested? Right hand wicketkeeper batsman, top order batsman. Base price starts from 10,000 points. Is there any teams interested? Yes, MNR Tiger is interested, 10,000. Lions by 20,000 by Lion. MNR Lions 20,000. 15,000. Is there anyone interested? Yeah, Tigers by 20,000. Lions 25,000. 30,000, 35, 40, 45, 50, 50 by MNR Tigers, 55 by MNR Lions, 60, 65, 70, 75, 75, 75 won by MNR Lions. Is there anyone interested? 75,000 points, 75,000 to 80. Yes, MNR Tiger is again interested. 80,000. Is there anyone interested? MNR Tigers 81,001. Is there anyone interested? Congratulations, MNR Tigers. I have Saugat Sunar, all-rounder player. Saugat Sunar. Is there Saugat Sunar? He is not available now. Is there anyone interested? Saugat Sunar, all-rounder. Saugat Sunar. Manoj Nath, right-handed middle order batsman. Manoj Nath. Is there anyone interested? Manoj Nath is not available right now. Manoj Nath. Now we have a Deep Pathai, right-handed batsman, middle order. Deep Kathai, please come in front. Is there anyone interested? Deep Kathai, right-handed batsman, middle order batsman, right-handed. Is there anyone interested? Deep Kathai. Is there anyone interested? Deep Kathai. I'm going to announce a name for the last time. Is there anyone is interested in Deep Kathai? Sorry, yaar. No one is interested. And third. Now we have a Yuvraj Dhani, all-rounder. Is he there? Yuvraj Dhani? He is not available yet. Right arm pace bowler, right-handed batsman, all-rounder. Yuvraj Dhani, is there any interested? Is there any interested? Yuvraj Dhani. I'm going to announce his name last time. Is there any interested? I'm sure.
So guys, as I said, if anyone is unsold, which means that player is automatically sold at their base price at any of these teams at the end. Okay, so again you don't need to be worried.
Love Khadka, pace bowler. Is there anyone interested? Is there anyone interested? Love Khadka, pace bowler. Is there anyone interested? For the last time, I'm going to announce his name. Love Khadka, is there anyone interested? Pace bowler. Sorry. No boys, don't. You got unsold. Now we have Asutosh Bhatt, left-hand batter, top order batsman. Asutosh is not available yet. Interested on Asutosh? I got. MNR Tigers is interested in Asutosh. Is there anyone other teams interested? Left-hand batsman, top order. MNR Stars is also interested. 15,000 by MNR Stars, 20 by MNR Tigers, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 55 by MNR Stars. Is there anyone interested? 55 by MNR Stars. Congratulations, team MNR Stars. Asutosh was sold by 50,000. 55,000. Prakash Karki, pace bowler. Is he here? Prakash Karki? So he is not available. Prakash Karki.
Guys, because Ayush will also be participated as a player in this tournament. Right now, he has participated in the auction, but Mr. Mahendra Chand is not available right now, so he's just this one is taking his place. That's it. When his name will be called out, then I will take auction for him. Okay, from Mahendra's side. Okay, your auction, I will take myself. Okay. His name is not here.
He is the captain, sir.
Okay, he's
No worries. We have a Yuvraj Bhatt, pace bowler. Is he here, Yuvraj Bhatt? Is there anyone interested in Yuvraj Bhatt, pace bowler? Right arm medium pace bowler. Is there anyone interested? Mahinagar Chance interested. 10,000 by Mahinagar Chance. Is there anyone interested? Is there anyone interested? Mahinagar Chance 10,000 by 10,000. One. Is there anyone interested? Yuvraj Bhatt. Is there anyone interested? I'm going to announce his name for the last time. Is there anyone interested? Yuvraj Bhatt, medium pace bowler. Congratulations, team MNR Chance. He's sold by 10,000 points. Now we have a Ayush Chand, right-handed batsman. Ayush Chand, right-handed batsman. Is there anyone interested?
सर आपको मार जाना पड़ेगा सर
गुड गुड नहीं ऐसा होना चाहिए.
Is there anyone interested? Ayush Chand. 10,000 by chance. MNR chance by 10,000. 20 by Tigers. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 60, 70, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 5,000, 10,000, 15. Is there anyone interested? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Is there anyone interested? 1 lakh 45,000 by stars. 50, 55, 60, 65, 1 lakh 75, 80, 85, 90, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs by chance. Is there anyone interested? 2 lakh 5,000 by MNR stars. Is there anyone interested? 2 lakh 5,000. I'm going to announce his name for the last time. Is there anyone? Congratulations.
Name list.
He has been a first player who has been sold out in 2 lakhs 5,000.
Congratulations,
Sold out.
congratulations everyone who's there. I mean, names already called out and who have been selected, or even not, but because as I said, who has not been selected by any of them, they are all automatically selected by any of these teams at the end, as I said. So you don't need to be worried. That's my only point.
Now we have a Vivek Dhami, pace bowler. Is he here? Vivek Dhami. Vivek Dhami. Is there anyone interested in Vivek Dhami? Right arm pace bowler. Is there anyone? Mahinagar stars by 10,000. Is there anyone other interested? Mahinagar Lions by 15,000. Is there anyone interested? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 by Mahinagar stars. Is there anyone interested? 60,000 by Mahinagar stars. Is there anyone interested? For the last time, I am going to announce his name. Is there anyone other team interested? Congratulations. Mahinagar Stars has been sold out.
आयुष को देखिए.
Now we have a Vivek Chand, pace bowler. Is he here? Vivek Chand. Is there anyone interested? Is there anyone interested? Vivek Chand. Mahinagar Champs is interested by 10,000. Mahinagar Lions by 20,000. Is there anyone other interested? Champs by 15,000. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45, 50, 55, 55. Is there anyone other teams interested? Mahinagar Champs by how much? 55? 55,000. Mahinagar Champs. Is there anyone other interested? Is there anyone other interested? Congratulations, team Mindnagar Champs. Vivekan has been sold out by 55,000 points. Right-hander wicket-keeper batsman, top-order batsman. Please come here, Ishan. Is there anyone interested? Ishan Daulia. Yes, MNR Tiger is interested. MNR Stars is also interested by 15,000, 20. Is there 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 1 lakh. 1 lakh 5,000, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 5,000 by Mahindnagar Lions, and again 2 lakh 10,000 by Mahindnagar Tigers. Is there anyone other interested? Mahindnagar Lions again interested by 2 lakhs 15,000, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 3 lakhs, and again Mahindnagar Lions is interested by 3 lakhs 5,000, 10. Mahindnagar Tigers is interested by 3 lakhs 10,000. Is there anyone interested? Mahindnagar Lions, is there? Anyone? Mahindnagar Stars, anyone interested? Mahindnagar Champs, anyone interested?
Excellent.
3 lakh 5,000. Congratulations. Mahindnagar Lions, we have been sold out by 3 lakh 5,000. Congratulations, Ishan.
And bro.
Now we have Manoj Chand, right-handed wicketkeeper, top-order batsman. Is there anyone interested? Mahindnagar Lion is interested by 10,000. Is there anyone interested? Manoj Chand, right-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Yes, Mahindnagar Champs is also interested by 20,000. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Is there anyone interested? Mahindnagar Lions is interested. Mahindnagar Stars is also interested by 9,000. Is there anyone? 95, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Mahindnagar Lions has interested for 1 lakh 65,000 points. Is there anyone other interested? Mahindnagar Tigers, is there anyone interested? Congratulations, MNR Lions. Is there anyone? Congratulations, Mahindnagar
Guys. An important point, all these franchise. So, because category wise, we have to select these players. So you all need to ensure that you have top order batsmen as well as middle order batsmen, and accordingly you have medium pacers and as well as spinners to make sure. So guys, how's the Josh now?
Now we have Chetan Thagunda, all-rounder, right-handed batsman and leg break, bowler, spin bowler. Please come here, Chetan. MNR Lions is interested by 10,000. Is there anyone? MNR Tigers. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Is there anyone interested? MNR Lions is interested by 40,000 points. MNR Sams is also interested by 45,000 points. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. 95. Is there anyone interested? MNR Champs is interested by 90,000 points. Is there anyone other teams interested? Chetan Thakurna. Is there anyone? Congratulations, team MNR Champs. Chetan Thakurna has been sold out by 90,000 points. I have a Supreme Poon, all-rounder, right-handed batsman, and pace bowler. Is there anyone interested? Supreme Poon, right-handed batsman and pace bowler. Is there anyone interested? Supreme, Mahit Nagar Stars is interested in Supreme Poon by 10,000. Is there anyone? MNR Tigers is also interested. 15, 20, 25. 25 by MNR. 30, 35, 40. 40,000 by MNR Tigers. Is there 45 by MNR Stars? Is there anyone other interested? 50 by MNR Lions. 55 by MNR Stars. Is there anyone other interested? 60 by MNR Lions. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 85 by MNR, 90 by MNR Lions. 95, 95. Is there anyone other interested? MNR Stars by 95,000. Is there anyone? Congratulations, team MNR Stars. Supreme Poon has been sold out by 95,000.
बोला है भाई तो पागल है की कान की कान
Now we have a Biraj Beast all-rounder, right-handed batsman and pace bowler. Biraj Beast, please come in front. MNR Lions is interested by 10,000. MNR Tiger is also interested by 15,000. Is there anyone other team interested? Lions by 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Sorry, 80. MNR Lions is interested on Supreme Poon by 80,000 points. Yes, again MNR Champs is interested 85,000 points. Is there anyone others? 90 by Lions. 90 by Lions. Is there anyone? 1 lakh by Champ. 1 lakh 5,000. 1 lakh 10,000. 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2 lakhs by MNR Champs. Is there anyone other interested? MNR Champs. Congratulations, team MNR Champs. MNR Champs. Virat has been sold out by 2 lakhs points. Everyone here. Very well done, yaar. Now we have Navneet Chand, right-handed middle order batsman. He is not available. Navneet Chand. Navneet Chand. Is there anyone interested? Navneet Chand is not available. Middle order batsman. Navneet Chand. Yes, MNR Stars is interested by 10,000. Is there anyone other teams interested in Navneet Chand? Is there anyone? I'm going to announce team MNR Stars. He got Navneet Chand by 10,000 points. Now we have Lokesh Chand, right-handed batsman. Lokesh Chand, come in front. Lokesh Chand, is there anyone interested? Lokesh Chand, please come fast. Is there anyone interested in Lokesh Chand? Middle order batsman, right-handed. MNR Tigers is interested by 10,000 points. Is there anyone other team interested? Lions interested by 20,000 points. Is there anyone 50, 25, 30? Sorry. What? No. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 65, 60. MNR Lions is interested by 60,000 points. Is there any other teams interested? Location 65 by MNR Tigers. 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Is there anyone other team interested? Is there anyone interested in location? Is there anyone? MNR Lions by 90,000. Is there anyone other teams? Congratulations, team MNR Lions. Location has been sold out by 90,000. Now we have a last pillar. After that we will have a short break. Now we have Sagar Okada, all-rounder, left-hand batsman and right-arm pace bowler. Is there anyone interested? Sagar Okada, all-rounder, left-handed batsman and right-arm pace bowler. Yes, MNR Stars is interested by 10,000 and MNR Lions as well as by 20,000. Is there anyone? Sorry, 50,000. Is there anyone? MNR Lions by 15,000. Is there anyone? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45,000, 50, 55, 50. MNR Stars is interested by 50,000. Is there anyone other team interested? I'm going to announce his name for the last time. MNR Stars is interested by 50,000. Congratulations, team MNR. Sagar Okada has been sold out by 50,000. After you short break, so
ब्रेक
Ayush. So thank you for 50 times.
तो गाइज़ अभी के लिए हमने एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लिया है। तब तक के लिए आप वीडियो को लाइक और हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। और हमारा ये ऑक्शन 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड होने वाला है और इसका अपकमिंग पार्ट्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू।